Hey beautiful people, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm so happy to have you. So in my last video, I discussed on how to create the perfect closet, and today we're going to talk about how to maintain it. So tip number one is investing in garment organizers. So this is an item you can easily find at the Container Store. It contains 12 garment organizers and has over 60 sorting labels. And so the purpose of the organizer is to create division upon your attire. So it's easy to keep things in order when you can see where one section begins and where another ends. So what's so great about this little package is that it comes actually with tips for organizing your wardrobe, and it's pretty extensive. It comes with the labels as we discussed before. They come in English and they also come in Spanish, so that's great if you speak both languages or you're trying to learn some Spanish. It also comes with a closet calendar which kind of depicts when you should organize certain sections of your closet which month. So it's actually really a good investment. I'm going to start putting these labels on the dividers, and I'm going to show you how this actually works. So stay tuned and let's get it poppin'. Start here with our first section, which is the sleeveless section, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to put on. You just wrap it around the pole, and it kind of just goes right on. It glides right on, so it's really easy to attach to your rod, your clothing pole, and you just put them on where you begin that specific section. You kind of go through your garments and kind of divide it. So we here have dress shirts, and you could use as many as you need or as many as you want. That's the great thing of having 12 of them that come in one package. In this particular section, we have numerous items mixed together. There are coats, there are suits, there are dresses. So the dividers serve the perfect balance, so this individual can actually know where one section ends and one section begins. So when they take the items out, they're putting them back in the proper space, which helps keep everything nice, neat, and organized. So all that time you invested in organizing your closet doesn't go in vain. So tip 2 is creating drawers in your existing space. If you don't have traditional drawers, create them. These canvas drawers serve great for holding multiple items. So right now I'm showing winter accessories, which we're going to start putting away, right? The season is coming to an end. Spring is right around the corner, and there's multiple items. So they're great for kind of hiding kind of like that bulk. If you're not great at folding items and making them look nice and neat, I will always suggest these kind of drawers because they hide the mess. The great thing about these particular drawers is you could use them standalone and put them directly on a shelf. So you could also use them as pull-outs, which is great as well. So my next tip is to label everything. So I found these particular labels. They're for bins and kind of pull-outs at the Container Store. And they work great because you can actually label your bins, your pull-outs, your drawers, so you never forget what's inside. So what I find is once people start forgetting where the items are located at, they start throwing things everywhere, and that's where the chaos and the beginning to the end actually starts transforming. So always label your items. These particular pullouts have little windows in the front, so you can actually see a little bit what's inside, but for the ones that are actually lower to the ground, it is a little difficult to see what's inside. So this is the perfect solution to this issue, so this person won't forget what's inside her bins. So guys, I hope you liked this video. It was just a quick video for some tips to keep your closet nice and intact. Make sure things don't go, out of control. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, of course, if you did enjoy it or you found these tips helpful. And I will see you in my next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye guys.